If you're pouring your heart into your restaurant's social media but still seeing empty tables, you're not alone. So many restaurants are making the same mistakes online. Mistakes that quietly drain your engagement, shrink your reach, and ultimately keep customers from walking through your doors. But the good news? These mistakes are easy to fix once you know what to look for. Let's talk about the most common social media missteps restaurants make, and how you can turn things around to fill your dining room. First, let's address the most obvious. Posting only food photos. Yes, your dishes look incredible, but so do thousands of others online. What sets you apart isn't just what's on the plate, but the story behind it. Share the inspiration for your recipes, introduce your team, or talk about where your ingredients come from. When you give your audience a peek behind the scenes, your food becomes more than just a picture. It becomes an experience. Next, don't ignore your audience. If someone comments, tags you, or sends a message, respond like you would if they walked through your front door. Every reply is a chance to build loyalty and show your customers they matter. Engagement isn't just about numbers, it's about building relationships. Consistency is another big one. Posting 5 times in 1 week and then disappearing for a month confuses your followers and kills momentum. Instead, aim for a steady rhythm. 3 to 4 posts a week is a great place to start. Scheduling tools can help you stay on track, so your restaurant stays top of mind. Every post should have a purpose. If you're not telling your audience what to do next, you're missing out on valuable action. Whether it's inviting them to check out your new menu, book a table, or tag a friend, a clear call to action turns passive scrollers into active customers. Don't forget about local SEO. If your profile doesn't clearly show your location, hours, or how to make a reservation, you're making it harder for new customers to find you. Make sure your digital storefront is as welcoming and informative as your physical one. Video is your secret weapon. Static images are easy to scroll past, but a quick video of your chef at work or a bustling dining room can stop people in their tracks. Show the energy, the people, and the passion that make your restaurant unique. And remember, your customers are already creating amazing content for you. Share their photos, reviews, and stories. When people see real guests enjoying your food, it builds trust and excitement. Finally, don't overlook the power of local influencers. Partnering with foodies in your area can introduce your restaurant to new audiences and add credibility to your brand. Social media isn't just about showcasing your food, it's about building connections and sharing your story. When you focus on authenticity and engagement, you'll turn online followers into loyal customers. If you found these tips helpful, follow us for more insights and let us know what marketing challenges you want solved next. Your next customer could be just 1 post away. Let's make sure they find you.